Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, your ultimate destination for innovative architecture and breathtaking residential design. Before we dive in, we want to ask for your support to help this channel grow. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Here at Homes Inspiration Studio, we are absolutely obsessed with the incredible potential of architectural evolution and the brilliant fusion of cultural heritage with contemporary luxury. Today, we are taking that passion to the sun-drenched coastlines of southern Europe. We are exploring the awe-inspiring world of modern Mediterranean house design. Modern Mediterranean house design is a sophisticated architectural movement that reimagines the rustic, sun-baked charm of traditional coastal Europe through the lens of 21st century minimalism. Historically, Mediterranean architecture was defined by thick masonry walls, small openings to combat intense heat, and heavy clay ornamentation. The modern iteration preserves the soul of these homes, such as the white stucco, soft arches, and natural stone, but replaces the clutter with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, open-concept layouts, and sharp geometric lines. It is a brilliant fusion of ancient thermal wisdom and refined interior design, resulting in homes that feel grounded in history yet visually futuristic. The benefits of choosing a modern Mediterranean house design go far beyond its striking, high-end appearance. First and foremost, these homes are masterfully engineered for climate efficiency. The signature white stucco walls and light-colored stone finishes act as a natural thermal barrier, reflecting sunlight and keeping the interior cool during peak summer months. Furthermore, the design philosophy prioritizes a seamless indoor-outdoor flow, utilizing central courtyards and massive sliding glass walls to expand your living space into the fresh air, which has been shown to significantly reduce stress and improve well-being. From an investment perspective, this style is incredibly timeless. Unlike fleeting modern trends, the use of organic materials like limestone, timber, and clay ensures the property ages with grace and maintains exceptional market value. Additionally, the emphasis on high ceilings and natural light creates a bright, airy sanctuary that makes even smaller floor plans feel expansive and luxurious. Decorating the exterior of a modern Mediterranean home is an exercise in tactile minimalism, using the contrast of natural materials to create visual interest without the need for excessive ornamentation. The most effective strategy is the layering of textures. For instance, pairing hand-troweled smooth white plaster with sections of rugged, dry-stacked limestone creates a sophisticated, multi-dimensional facade. Installing massive, black-framed steel windows or minimalist pivot doors is essential, as the dark metal provides a sharp, contemporary edge against the pale walls while framing the landscape like a piece of art. You should also focus on sculptural landscaping by placing ancient olive trees, tall cypress, or vibrant bougainvillea in oversized terracotta or stone planters to add organic shapes to the clean lines of the building. Finally, professional exterior lighting is the secret ingredient. Using warm LED uplighting on stone textures and recessed lights within the iconic arches will make your home look like a glowing, five-star resort the moment the sun goes down. When designing a modern Mediterranean home, several architectural styles naturally complement the warm climate aesthetic. The Ibiza minimalist style is a global favorite, characterized by flat roofs, stark white cubic forms, and a purely monochrome palette that feels incredibly fresh and ultra-modern. If you prefer a warmer, more rooted approach, the modern Tuscan style blends traditional Italian farmhouse elements, such as exposed heavy timber beams and weathered clay roof tiles, with vast glass pavilions and sleek infinity-edge pools. For those seeking a more romantic flair, the Neo-Andalusian aesthetic works beautifully. It takes the dramatic arches and intricate courtyard layouts of southern Spain and updates them with contemporary matte black hardware, minimalist water features, and hidden rooftop terraces. Now that we understand the foundations of this architectural movement, let's explore some breathtaking examples. Here is our compilation of the top 10 best modern Mediterranean house design ideas to inspire your next massive project. One, the arched whitewash sanctuary. This design is a masterclass in the use of soft, repetitive arches that create a rhythmic and inviting exterior. The pristine white stucco is perfectly complemented by a sprawling turquoise pool, where the water's reflection dances against the smooth walls. It's a perfect blend of traditional silhouettes and contemporary open-air living. 2. The rugged stone and plaster fusion. This house showcases the incredible power of texture. By combining rough-cut natural stone on the lower levels with smooth, minimalist white plaster on the upper stories, the design feels grounded and earthy. The addition of oversized, black-framed windows provides a sharp modern contrast. 3. The tiered coastal cube estate. Utilizing a multi-level, stacked approach, this home features flat roofs that double as expansive sun decks. The sharp, geometric lines are softened by cascading greenery and built-in stone planters, making it ideal for sloped lots with unobstructed views. 4. The infinity glass pavilion. This design removes the boundaries between the living room and the landscape. Featuring wall-to-wall sliding glass doors and a massive cantilevered roof, the interior spills out onto a seamless stone patio and a hidden-edge infinity pool. 5. The neoclassic arch manor. For those who love symmetry, this home features a grand, double-height arched entrance. The design uses traditional clay tiles for the roof but strips away ornamentation in favor of clean, unadorned columns and minimalist steel railings. 6. The pergola-shaded Mediterranean retreat. This home focuses on the beauty of timber accents. A large, modern wooden pergola stretches across the back of the house, providing a rhythmic play of light and shadow over the outdoor dining area, creating a cozy, boho chic vibe. 7. The high-contrast modern villa. Bold and sophisticated, this design uses deep charcoal or matte black window frames to pop against a brilliant white facade. The landscaping is kept minimalist with sculptural trees, emphasizing the home's sharp architectural lines. 8. The linear poolside suite. This design is all about horizontal lines. The long, low profile of the house follows the length of a professional-grade lap pool. The architecture uses recessed lighting hidden in the eaves to highlight the building's length at night for a cinematic effect. 9. The geometric desert Mediterranean hybrid. Blending Mediterranean materials with desert modern geometry, this home features sharp angles and hidden courtyards. The use of sand-colored stucco helps the building blend into arid environments, while arches are used sparingly as focal points. 10. The luminous twilight masterpiece. This home proves that architecture is meant to be seen at night. With a sophisticated integrated lighting system, every arch and stone texture is highlighted with a warm, golden glow, creating a magical, resort-like ambience. In conclusion, modern Mediterranean house designs are revolutionizing the way we think about luxury residential architecture. They challenge the boundaries of tradition, proving that ancient materials like stone and stucco can be transformed into a soaring, luxurious, and eco-friendly masterpiece. Whether you want a rugged stone manor or a sleek, white-walled pavilion, this style gives you the freedom to build a home that is truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed exploring these Mediterranean mansions with us today, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio for more amazing architectural tours. Which of these 10 modern designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know down in the comments. And make sure to share this video with anyone who is dreaming of building their own unique home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.